Climate change is a complicated subject, but it is essential that we comprehend the terminology used to address it. Carbon sequestration, carbon footprint, blue carbon, green carbon, black carbon, white carbon, and gray carbon will all be explained in this video. Carbon sequestration is the process of removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and storing it in carbon sinks, such as forests, oceans, and soil, for long-term storage. This is crucial because carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas that contributes to climate change. By sequestering carbon in these sinks, we can assist in slowing the rate of global warming. A carbon footprint is a measurement of the total greenhouse gas emissions generated by an individual, organization, event, or product. Your carbon footprint is the sum of all greenhouse gas emissions produced by your daily activities, such as driving, using energy, and consuming meat. It is imperative that we all endeavor to reduce our carbon footprints, as these emissions contribute to global warming and climate change. Carbon footprints assist evaluate the environmental impact of various activities, and find places where emissions might be minimized. They can be calculated at various scales, ranging from individual lifestyles to large industries, and are used to inform policy decisions, promote sustainable practices, and raise awareness about the environmental impacts of human activities. Blue carbon is the carbon deposited in coastal wetland vegetation, such as mangroves and seagrasses. These regions are crucial carbon sinks that also provide other ecological benefits, such as protection from storms and habitat for marine life. Blue carbon ecosystems are under greater threat than many terrestrial ecosystems. They are being degraded and destroyed at an alarming rate due to activities such as coastal development, aquaculture, and overfishing. Research has shown that these ecosystems sequester more than half of the global carbon sequestered. Therefore, it is essential to prioritize conservation and restoration efforts for these ecosystems. Green carbon is carbon stored in forests and other plants. These regions are significant carbon sinks that also provide additional ecological benefits, such as habitat for wildlife and biodiversity. Gray carbon refers to carbon emitted by human-made materials, such as cement and concrete. During their manufacture, these materials emit carbon dioxide and contribute to climate change. Brown carbon is brown smoke released by the combustion of organic matter. It coexists with black carbon when released in the atmosphere. It is one of the significant warming factors, as it disturbs the temperature pattern of the atmosphere and the cloud-forming process. It also changes the solar absorption pattern and the nature of clouds. Black carbon refers to the soot and other particles created by the burning of fossil fuels and other sources, such as wildfires. Black carbon contributes to climate change by absorbing solar radiation and warming the atmosphere. White carbon refers to the carbon that is stored in limestone, coral reefs, and other calcifying organisms. These areas are important carbon sinks that also provide other ecological benefits, such as reef systems that are vital for marine life. As we've seen, there are numerous forms of carbon and numerous ways in which they impact the environment. By gaining a grasp of these terms and their implications, we may lower our carbon footprint and work toward a more sustainable future. We appreciate you taking the time to view this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with others. It would be greatly appreciated if you subscribed to our channel and turned on notifications so you don't miss any future videos.